Are your buttons looking like this? Well, in this video, I will show you how to make it look better, and they'll be looking like this. Let's get started. Okay, first, I'm gonna make a button. So I'm just gonna rename this button. And I'm gonna get one green flag clicked. Wherever, go to looks and change size by. So its initial size is 100. So I'm gonna get a minus. I'm gonna subtract 100 from its size, and I'm going to get a division by 2. So right now it really does nothing, like you can't see anything. But if I increase the size, let's say to 200, you can see that it grows big and slowly goes back to size 100. So if I get when the sprite is clicked, change size by 10 or like -10, you can see that it goes back to the size 100. This is its normal size. So if I make it 150, and this is like how smooth you want it to be. If I make it like 10, so see, it's really smooth. So I'm just gonna keep it normal. I'm just gonna center it. Another cool thing you can do is make it rotate like this. So I'm gonna get a point in direction. I'm gonna get a plus, and it's a normal direction, which is 90 plus. Get a multiplication, and you get the sin of timer, like this, times 100, like this, and get another multiplication, put it in here, and multiply this by, let's say, 5. So you can see it rotates slowly by 5. This number will indicate how many numbers it will move up by or goes back. So this is its normal direction, and this is how fast you can make it rotate for. So let's say 500. Now you can see it's really fast. So I'm just gonna make it 10, 100. Yeah, I think this looks good. You can also do this with its Y position. So I'm gonna get the Y, just duplicate this in here. As you can see, it's like really big. So if I just change this by 1, so I'll just keep this 0.5. So I think this looks good. One more thing you can do is that you can change its costume. Once you're hovering over it, you can like change its costume. So I'll just copy this, paste it in here, change the colors. So I'm just gonna call this normal, and hover. So I'm gonna get an if else. If touching mouse pointer, then switch costume to hover. Else, I'm gonna switch to norm. We can also change the size. So can change the size to become like bigger. So I'll put this in here, and I'll change it by like 150. Oh, that's too big. 120. Yeah, I think this looks really good. You can tweak all these numbers to how you like it to be. So So I think this is really good. You can include this in your clicker games or your like main menus. You can also do this rotation for your like main menu titles. And yeah, that's all. Thanks for watching.